It's great to be able to play music with other Dwight students from around the world, since I get to experience other cultures and different techniques that I wouldn't normally play, and see different instruments that I didn't know exist before.
It's so nice, honestly. I get to experience what it's like, how other people around different campuses experience music, and how they behave, and what kind of music they like. So it's been a really interesting experience.
The experience here at Dwight Dubai playing with the different musicians is amazing, because there's so many musicians around the world and they're just so spectacular that you could teach them something and they could teach you something, so it's just amazing.
It's such a great opportunity for us to communicate with different cultural people and make friends with each other. And second, it's a very good chance for a student like me to learn music from different worlds.
I think this concert is a very important tradition because every time we do concert, we make new friends. We make our community larger and has a connection of music. So I think this tradition is very important.
Rehearsals have been going really well. We actually had a voice coach come in earlier and kind of help us warm up and figure out how we're gonna sing our songs and perform to our best ability.
You can really feel the atmosphere that everybody is enjoying. Not only a chance for us to meet together, but also a great gift to those music students.
Having students from around the world on the Dwight Dubai campus has been it's been nice, it's been refreshing. It's a bit like coming to school every day and seeing a bunch of new people that you wouldn't see, but it's all these new faces, all these new people, and all these new friends that really, it's refreshing and it's a bit surreal though.
Being on the Dubai stage is insane. I can't believe I'm actually here in Dwight Dubai. It's so exciting and exhilarating. I can't wait to actually perform here.
What a special moment for Dwight School Dubai. What a special moment for the entire Dwight community. So much preparation goes into these concerts, months and months in advance. Amazing global teams of administrators, of teachers, of communications teams. When 120 plus students from all over the world come together and play music together. And lots goes into it. And then the moment all of these students get together in one place, the amazing community power of music takes over. They get on stage. So we're thrilled to be here. We thank everyone involved for this community experience and for making this concert as special as all of the other ones have been, and all of the other ones will be in the future.